Welcome back to FACEIT.net. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you another interesting task. You would be wondering, I install my operating system, I had to now reformat and reinstall, but I don't have my product key with me. How do I find my Windows product key? Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve your installed operating system's product key. Keep in mind, the product key could have been stored in three locations. It could have been stored in your PC's hardware, or you could have it in your certificate that you purchased the Windows operating system and you might have it in the stickers, or it could have been built into your computer UEFI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see those product keys. All right, now let's go and explore how to get the installed key. If you think your key is saved in UEFI embedded model, you just need to run this PowerShell command. So the PowerShell command is get Windows object query, select all from software licensing service, and then Windows product key, right? Licensing service and Windows product key. So if you run this command and hit enter, it should give you the installed operating system key. If you don't get the key, that means the key is not saved in this computer, right? You can see hasn't got any answer. So that means it's not saved in UEFI. So now I have to move to the second option. In my second option, I can't run that through any PowerShell command. I'm going to use a third-party tool to find the installed key. Right? This tool is already available in Microsoft Store. So I'm going to download it from Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store. Right? In the Microsoft Store, I'm going to type in show key plus, right? So that's the software that I'm going to use it. This is one, show key plus. I already installed this key on my computer, right? So this key will show you the installed Windows version and the license key. As you can see here down, it shows you some information. So this is a screenshot. So all you have to do is you just need to open it. Okay, now I opened the show key plus, and as you can see on my screen, I have got the information. So I've got the information about the product's name, product ID, built version, installation key or installed key, and then the OEM key. So